Hey guys, this is just a quick impromptu video and I wanted to share with you how you can use extracts in different ways. Now, if you are a parent or guardian and you have children and they love pancakes, waffles, and different things like that, did you know that you can take either spices? I usually in my regular pancakes, I put cinnamon and I put imitation vanilla extract. Which I have a video, remind me to put it below to tell you why extract, the imitation versus the extract, what's the difference and why and how you use both of them, because a lot of people are really torn in the kitchen when they have to buy extract and see how expensive it is. So this video is just a video showing you how you can, telling you the ways that you can utilize your extract. Now, if you don't have bananas on deck and you have children who love bananas, you love pancakes with bananas in it, you can use banana flavoring. When I tell you they have, McCormick has so many different flavors. Also Stone Mill by Aldi's, they have a lot of different flavors too. When I say a lot, I mean like literally the butter flavor, cinnamon flavor, if you didn't even have cinnamon. Just check it out. When you go to your local Walmart, you can see that McCormick has, I'm talking like cherry flavor, orange flavor, lemon flavor, all different types of extracts. I'm actually out of my lemon. I use that around Christmas time, but these are my two favorite that I use a lot, quite a bit, especially for baking. And then banana, if I want to give something a banana flavor, but do not want to overpower it with bananas, with people who don't like the actual taste or texture of bananas. And also when I make my homemade banana pudding, which if you're interested in that, leave a comment below. The homemade old school banana pudding from scratch on the stove, I use this incorporated in that recipe as well. So yeah, guys, this is just a quick video. Use your extracts or imitation. I would actually recommend getting imitations if you know you are like a waffle eater or pancake eater and your family likes them like almost every morning. Get you some imitation banana, get you some imitation whatever flavor. They got maple flavor. When I say they have a lot, they have a lot. And you just take and like if I'm doing about 10 pancakes, I might put about, I'll say about a half a teaspoon in there, maybe a little less than that. That might be maybe like a quarter of a teaspoon to a half a teaspoon. It depends on how flavorful you want it to be, or unless you want it just to have a hint of it. But yes, that is just a tip on how you can utilize your extracts. And if you've seen me make breakfast before, you've probably seen me put my vanilla extract in my pancakes. I don't like my pancakes to be regular. I have to have some flavor to them. So if it's not the extract, it's also going to be the cinnamon. And that's how I spruce up my pancakes. So I hope this was helpful. If it was, make sure you thumbs up. Make sure you share. If you're new to the family, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you can join the family and hit the bell so you're notified every time I load a new video. And with that being said, I will see you guys later, Gators.